Let's go back to the forequarter and recap a little bit about what we talked about on the carcass with this forequarter that's been broken down into the major and minor primals and subprimals off of the forequarter. Let's start with the largest piece of that, which would be a square cut chuck. There are only really two major subprimals that would normally be taken from the wholesale chuck, those being the clod, which contains two muscles that are in the list of top 5 muscles out of the carcass in tenderness. So actually these muscles themselves are very tender and could be utilized in various different ways. So this is the shoulder clod. The other one is the more traditional chuck roll, where you'd normally see the traditional chuck roasts cut off of this cut. Now there are a number of other muscles in there. We've already shown you a little bit about seam fat and what seam fat does to the cuts. So a lot of the rest of the chuck would either be utilized as individual muscles in some various smaller cuts, or would be used in our coarse ground trimming mix. The wholesale rib is mainly broken into one major subprimal, that being the ribeye roll. And you usually hear it referred to as a lip-on ribeye roll. And the term lip-on means that it has about anywhere, according to what cut you're making, from 1 inch to 2 inches of tail from the end of the major ribeye muscle on the end of the cut. That's located along this side. So that would be the major cut out of the rib. The minor ones would be the back ribs, the ribs that came from underneath the rib, and also some cap and wedge meat, and those are the muscles that come off of the top side of the rib in this area here. They're usually used as special trimmings because normally you can trim those up very lean, and they're used for a variety of different things in various parts of the beef industry.